The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. People, the reason why I come back on my yard, West say ill treat me. He not give me nothing. He say I look about my TR and my passport and my NIS. I know him not look about it, him hold me over there all long in a house lock up. I make me wear all him daughter slippers too.
Not loud.
And him not buy me nothing.
West that to look about for one big menke, call me faith for Michael Jackson, don't give me no. I mean, tell me, so I tell people them same give me, I don't tell people, I say people, West don't give me no. Look at me, look about like menke,
and him buy car,
we look about wicked West. I know better than all you stay, evil West.
I every show I'm going to call it the whole of money and I give me none.
Yes, wicked West.
People, the reason why I come back to my place, West say ill treat me. He collect me all of my money and give me no money. He make me wear all him daughter slippers. He have my Instagram account and want my money. I want him to come on road, and him talk big and him not do nothing for me. And him not look about my TRN and my passport. And him have me over there lock up all long.
Social media never ceases to amaze me. Alright, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who some people on social media call Ghetto Michael Jackson. Some persons might also call him Jamaica's Michael Jackson and Jamaican Michael Jackson. He said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that a person who goes by the name of Wessie treated him some ways that he do not like. Now, I do not have much information about some of the things that he said, is it? So I'm going to leave it right there. Let's see how that story develops, alright? Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again, is it? Yeah, manners and respect. Big up and respect to you, alright? Now, I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I have one more video I'm going to present to you. And the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is circulating on social media where it is said that thieves broke into a building and stole some things. Allegedly, it is said that one of those persons who are said to be thieves peed on the floor. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where in the world this video had been recorded, nor do I have any information as to when the video had been recorded. I looked at the video and I wondered if those persons are actually thieves, and I wondered if one of those persons actually peed on the floor of that building. See? I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if you think those persons are thieves or if you think they are not thieves. And you can also tell me if you think one of them actually peed on the floor of that building. Alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. People, I wondered if those persons actually are thieves. See me? Yeah, I wonder. The reason why I said that is because of some things that have been shown in the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And you know, the way how one of those persons kinda pushed up to the wall and positioned himself, it seems as if that person actually did pee on the floor. It seems so. It seems so. I'm not saying that it actually happened, but it seems so to me. I also wondered if those persons are thieves because of how they act. They acted so calm while they're doing what they're doing. One of the time, I asked myself if those persons are there to repair the window. I also wondered if those persons are doing some form of a construction work at night. Let me repeat that. I wondered if those persons are doing construction work at night. You see it? No, this video have me thinking different things. You see? Now, you see, when it comes down to social media, you have videos posted on social media with misleading informations. See? And it is good to think before you jump to conclusions when it comes down to posts that have been made on social media. Because there are a lot of misleading informations that have been posted on social media. See? Me, Dancehall Skilla, I like to look, observe, and think. Yeah, I love to observe and think. I don't just jump to conclusion and say, yes, it's true. No, that's not me. You see? Anyways, let me know what you think about those two videos that I presented to you in this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, let me know what you think about them. Alright? Alright, and big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.